Hi and welcome to this new training video on the AD Cloud Services for the new 6.1 release. AD Cloud Services is the new archiving system that allows users to back up cameras to a new unlimited cloud storage system over local-based VideoEdge NVR storage. An AD Cloud Partner account is required to configure cloud archiving. Please contact Sales or App Engineering to set up cloud services. In order to set up your VideoEdge for cloud archiving, navigate to Archive, Archives, and select the Add icon. Then complete the archive details, making sure that the type is set as AD Cloud Services. And complete the username and password. And complete the partner name and the account name. And ensure to select the Enabled box. And select the Save icon. This information can be found from your AD Cloud Services partner account, or you can contact your local sales representative for further information. From the device list, select the camera you wish to add to the Cloud Service Archive, and select the required archiving mode. Then select the required archiving quality from the drop-down, and select the required maximum archiving storage period from the drop-down, and select Save. An alert will appear asking you to confirm your selection. Check the details and click the Save icon as shown. In the Settings option, the archiving destination must be set as shown on screen, and select Save. A green tick is shown if this is set up correctly, or a yellow triangle is shown if this is not being set up correctly.